welcome to Baños de Santa Agua. Where does the city get its name? Well, there's many hot springs to be found in this region which are said to have many healing powers. Today, I'm going to be taking you through Banos, showing you a little bit of the city, which is said to be the adventure capital of Ecuador. And I'm going to be showing you some of the cool things you can do here when you come. So without further ado, let's go explore. It's only 6 o'clock, and what you may not know when you first come to Ecuador is the sun rises at 6 a.m. and sets about 6 p.m. every day, so there's 12 hours of daylight year-round. So my suggestion to you is wake up early to get to some of the places you want to see without any crowd. Who's my best friend? For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to a channel that's full of adventures. Today we're here in Banos checking out the first waterfall, and I hope you stay till the end because there's many waterfalls, from small ones to big ones to ones that are over 100 feet tall. Stay tuned and let's go adventure. Do you guys see what I do for you guys just to show you these awesome views of the waterfalls? Look at these stairs. This waterfall behind me is called El Roquio Machai. It's the most furthest one east if you're traveling along Banos. Highly recommend it. It's a little bit of a hike down steep stairs, so make sure you wear non-slip shoes. And enjoy the views. Start your engines, boys. We're going to the next waterfall. As you guys might have seen by the name, we are going to see Pailon del Diablo, one of the most grand waterfalls here in the Valley of Waterfalls. This place is also called Rutas de Cascadas, this whole area with all the waterfalls that you can find. Many of them named, many of them you can just stumble upon as you're driving by. Here's where you pay $2 to enter. Now, in front of me is one way, and then behind me is the second overlook. We're going to the first one, then I'll take you to the second one. Let's go. friends, is what this channel is all about. Adventures, going the extra mile. That was awesome experience. I've never got to be soaked right under the waterfall. Now we're gonna take the dry way. Let's go. You guys didn't think I was gonna leave you hanging and not show you the other viewpoints, did you? But shh, not many people know about this place though. Is this bridge stable? We're about to find out. Did you guys enjoy that second overlook or the first one that I went to? Let me know down in the comments below. And now we're off to more waterfalls. Let's go. This is sugarcane juice, freshly squeezed. Cheers, guys. You have to try this when you come to Ecuador. Rent one of these buggies, I recommend this place. Not sure what the name is, but it's just across from the church if you're interested. Now I'm gonna take you to Casa Arbol, which has a beautiful overlook of the entire city. Let's go. And that, my friends, was the famous swing you can come here and check out in Banos. Highly recommended. $1 to enter, and you get free swings. Views come and go. Sometimes you just can't plan around the weather, but the memories stay with you forever. To be able to say that you've been to these places, even if the weather was not perfect for your picture, it's an amazing feeling. And I hope you guys enjoyed checking out Banos with me. Again, the adventure capital of Ecuador. And I hope you guys found some of my tips useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to say thank you all for those of you who support me. Thank you all to all of you who are watching this video and keep coming back. I love making these videos for you and sharing all of my adventures with you. And I hope you guys join me next week for more adventures from Cuenca. This is all for today. Thank you again. Ciao.